Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get rid of an account warning on the TikTok. So if you are facing this error on the TikTok account, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, account warning means your account is on the high risk from disabling. So how you can get rid of, first of all, don't copy someone else content on your TikTok. I mean, don't upload someone else content on your TikTok. And if you are facing this problem, you have to wait for the TikTok team or the algorithm to remove it. Upload your own content and in a right way. Don't upload any content that is against the uh, community guidelines of the TikTok. And once you will start doing it, your account warning option will be removed from your account. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.